figure out what day of the week it is. Days of the week. Clap those hands. Clap them again. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Hop, hop. Good job. Clap them again. Get ready. Here we go. Your turn. Louder. We're singing. All right, and today is Thursday, March 4th, 2021. Let's see. Let's take a look at our pattern. Remember, we have a clover and we have a Dr. Seuss hat. So it goes clover, Dr. Seuss hat. Clover, Dr. Seuss hat. Great job. All right. Let's go on. We said it was going to be cloudy today. Thank goodness it is not cloudy. I think we also had a windy prediction. And it's not windy either.
It's sunny.
It is sunny outside. Woohoo! But that there, what kind of weather are we going to have for our Friday tomorrow? Rainy weather for tomorrow? All right, we're going to go ahead and put that there. Let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready to sing? I can't hear you. Are you ready to sing? Yes. Let me hear you. Yes. Are you ready to sing? Yes. All right, here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, let's count to 15. Ready? Here we go. Eyes right here, and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, let's count backwards from 5. Here we go. Eyes right here, and we say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! All right, looking at some colors. What color is disgust? What color is this? Green. What color is the school bus? Yellow. What color is it? Yellow. What color is the chocolate? Brown. All right. Let's take a look at some shapes. What shape is this? Eyes right here, friends. What shape is this? Oval. What shape is this one? Eyes right here, friends. All right. What shape is this?
A triangle.
What is it? Triangle. What shape is this one?
Circle.
Circle. All right. Our nursery rhyme this week is Mary, Mary. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Hello! Let's see here. What letter are we working on?
What letter is
What
that?
letter? A.
What letter is it?
H. H says, put that hand up there. Right here. Our hand up in front of our mouth. And feel that. That's right. What is this?
House.
House. Stand up. Think about where we start those letters.
Leave that on the floor. Just put it there.
Do you start your letters at the top?
Good.
Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better.
That's where.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. At the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Go down. It's the top. No, it's the bottom. Shaking it. Top.
No, it's
The middle.
Yep, good.
Lift it up. It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? We get Oz. Right? Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Go down.
Way down.
Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle.
In the middle.
Bottom. Shake it in the middle.
Shake it.
Top. Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Going down. No, it's the bottom. Shake it. It's the middle. Top. It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? All right, have a seat on your bottom. We're making the letter H. And H says, we're going to grab our big line and put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Then we're going to go ahead and grab our other big line and put it on the other side of our mat. Now we need our little line. And we put it at the top.
Where do we
We put it at the bottom.
No.
Where do I put it?
Where do we put it?
Up the top.
Not the top, in the middle. That's right. In the middle. What letter did we make? H. And what does H say? Excellent. All right, let's make it together. Fingers up. And we say, big line down. Frog jump over. Big line down. Little line across the middle. What letter is that? H. And H says, awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us for Circle Time. We'll see you tomorrow.